Remember, safety is everything. That's why I got these safety glasses on. Welcome to the first edition of Micro Memes. Anytime me or my bro laugh, we are going to
up a microwave, we put it in the ground.
anytime we laugh or chuckle, we are going to completely annihilate a microwave.
That sounds awful.
Now we're going to be watching all the Discord memes that we can find and see if we can handle ourselves. Isn't that right, bro?
Yeah.
Not gonna laugh. On God. Straight face. That just sucks.
For you.
Oh, yeah.
Pon atención, por fin. No tienes enemigos. Nadie tiene enemigos. Nadie en este mundo merece ser hijo.
Amigos, amigos.
Safety is everything. Bro, we can't. This microwave is not going to live if we laugh at the meme, bro.
Mom's gonna be so goddamn pissed.
I know. That's why we need to not laugh. All we gotta do is just keep the most serious face so this microwave can live through this video at least. Alright. It's a nice bath.
I would take a bath like that. You know, getting sprayed down like that. I want to make it feel raining. I need to help.
Quick experience. Whoa, stop!
What? We have to put some commentary, Taylor. We can't just watch.
I know. Bro, we're going.
One of the most important things to get the most tender steak possible is you just gotta let it sit.
A man just threw a pickle flavored potato chip at my car at the gas station and I don't know why.
You okay? Are you alright? How do you know the chip is pickle flavored? How do you know, friend?
Oh, good morning, potatoes.
Family, 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 family.
One more quarter.
Some more water. Some more water.
Bro, keep in mind, like, it is cold outside.
It's like 20 degrees.
It's like 20 degrees. We need this microwave to last, bro. This is the challenge.
I think the microwave's already done for us.
No, it still has some life to it, you know?
Oh my god.
Dang. Remember, safety is everything. That's why I got these safety glasses on. Did we succeed in our challenge?
Looks like it.
You sure? Bro, cook some ramen in it. Cook some ramen in it. Try to see if the ramen's cooked.
The hole?
The hole? Yeah, make the hole bigger so you can get the ramen. Damn! Press the buttons.
That's a big 80 right there. Oh, fuck.
It's a... What would you say it is?
This is a transformer.
So it's a micro meme?
I know he's sick of my money, cause every time he calls,
That's today's video. Micro memes. Isn't that right, bro? It's gonna get a little more spicier next time. Maybe a sturdier
microwave.
I'll sign out. What'd you say, bro? What'd you've learned today?
My hands are cold, and we gotta get mom a new microwave.
What? What the talking about? What? What is that? It's a mic. It's mom's microwave. What? You're fucking kidding me. The one she just bought? Yeah. What the fuck's wrong with you? No, nothing's wrong. Nothing. No. Give me that.